All right, but why is everyone late though? Why is everyone late though? I said 6:30. We are going to be starting. This is like 2 minutes to 6, so to 6:30. Okay, 6:28. Yes, yes, yes. But I just put it on there so that everyone we join on time. You get. I don't want anyone to miss out on this. All right, before then, let's recap. Let's recap. Um, this point of this thing POI, point of interest. That is what we are looking at today. That's what we're looking at today. So yesterday, I don't know, Voldemort, you remember yesterday, last night, that we talked about that V25, the POI, using an order block for a POI. I showed you guys that using an order block for a POI does not really hold all the time. It doesn't really hold. Let me show you what happened. Can you guys see my screen on V25? Can you guys see my screen? If you can see my screen, just say yes. Okay, good. Good. So hey, see set up here, one more. Why am I not in this trade? Ah, why am I not in this trade? You guys can see, I just opened the chart and I just saw it. Like I told you, once you can see it, you can't unsee it. Sure, you can see. My goodness, are you serious right now? Can you guys see? Just like that, I did not do too much. I just came. You guys saw when I opened this chart, V25. I did not do much. All right? Can you see what's happening already? Beautiful trade. Wait, I think I can still enter this trade. I don't know, guys, but I'm going to enter this trade. I don't know if I can enter. Let me see if I still have funds in this trade. Ah, my goodness. Let me see. Let me see. Y'all can still take it because this was where the confirmation started from. So it hasn't really gone far. This was the confirmation. So it's still in drawdown. So I'm going to be taking this trade live with you guys. So you can still enter. You can still enter. I'm taking this trade. V25 buy. V25 buy. Let me see how much I want to start. Okay. All right, guys. I just bought V25. I'm risking a $20 account. I'm risking $20, but I'm stacking as usual. So if price retraces, it might stop me out. But let's just see what happens. So y'all can take the trade as well. Who be this one they call me now? Oh. Ah, please don't retrace on me. Don't retrace on me. Omo. Omo. Omo, I've lost the accounts. Anyway, Sha, that's stacking for you. That's stacking for you. But you guys can still enter. Please use risk management, okay? How did I arrive at this trade? How did I arrive at this trade? You all can see this sweep of liquidity here. This is a sweep of liquidity, right? So we know that, okay, from year to year is our swing structure. From year to year is our swing structure, right? They'll know that, okay, after a swing structure, what should we be looking out for? A break of structure. This was a break of structure here to show that, okay, this wants to go to the upside. All these breaks are to the upside. All these breaks are to the upside. So what's price doing? All of this that price is doing is just retracement. It's just retracement to continue its journey to the upside. Can you guys hear me, please? Can you guys hear me? Okay, good. So if you all have taken this trade, you should be in profit by now because this was the entry here. Right here was the entry. So please, y'all should make this stuff ASAP. So this was the retracement back to this zone. So this is our sweep of liquidity here. This is our sweep of liquidity here, right? This is our break of structure to the upside, right? Then price retrace, rule number 3, price must retrace to give us a this thing, a structural liquidity before price continues to the upside. So this was the structural liquidity price created, right? Then this was the break of structure, the second break of structure. Now you know that okay, this is an A+ setup. We're already deep in profits, guys. Deep in profits. So you can see this is live. This is live. This is what I'm doing with you guys live. You understand? I should have been up at least $40, but my positions were closed. About 80% of my positions were closed. So I'm up just $5, but it doesn't matter. There are many opportunities. You understand? So I'm not really pleased by this. So please, if you took the trade and you're up in profit, just drop on in the comment section how much you're up. Let's see. Because this is a live trade together. So as you can see, this is where I always start from. This is where I get my confirmation from. Then I start this bullish engulfing candle. Okay, but you need to be careful because of this retracement here. Price might just do this. This was what it did. It retraced. It took me out, like close like 80% of my positions. Then now it's heading back to its direction. Okay, this is the target because this is your C. Remember, this is your A. Your swing high is your C. Why just your structural liquidity is your B. Okay, so guys, that is it. Okay, if you guys take a loss on this, if we take a loss on this, we know that okay, this was an A+ setup. Okay, this was an A+ setup. All right, so we shouldn't be moved by it because we are right. Even if we lose it, just know that you are right. You did the right thing. Okay, so all you just have to do is apply risk management because that's what will save you in the market. Apply risk management. That's what I always tell everyone. Whenever you are taking a trade, always apply risk management, regardless of how the outcome or the previous outcome was. If the previous outcome was a win, it does not mean that you should risk more than what you should be risking on the next trade. Okay, because market can disappoint you. All right, so these are a trade basically on a daily basis. I just came on here. I saw this. I saw this move right here. I know that okay, price is already reacting from this zone right here, from this structural liquidity. Price has taken it out. Okay, that's what I saw first. Then I looked at my structure, my sweep of liquidity. If it was valid, you can see this was a valid sweep of liquidity. So this then becomes your strong low, your protected low. So price is not supposed to come here and invalidate it. All right. So we are talking about POI today. We are going to start POI right now. Now, how do I know that this is a valid POI? Remember, I told you guys that a POI consists of what? An order block or a failed order block, which is called a breaker block. Okay, guys, from the last class we had, an order block, a breaker block. Those are the POIs. But which one is more valid? Which one is most valid to me? I feel a breaker block is more valid to me because it was where price broke out from that it was supposed to retest, but then it failed. Right? Now look at this. This was the initial breaker block that we had. This was the initial breaker block. You remember I told you the last bearish candle before a push to the upside, before a massive push to the upside is your order block, right? So this massive this bearish candle will be your order block. Let me enlarge this thing so you guys can see. This candle here, this last bearish candle should be your order block, right? So what is price supposed to do? Price is supposed to do what? Price is supposed to go like this. Supposed to go like this. Then retest it here. Then continue. But what did price do? Price invalidated it. Okay? Price did this. Price went, invalidated it. Then went back into structure. You know that, okay, this is what price is trying to do. Price is trying to, create another block for you. Because you know that, okay, once price comes back to retest it, you can see price came back to retest it. And then it continued to the upside. Right? Now look at this again. This is also another block. Right? This is also another block. Yeah. Okay. So price might easily do something like this. go all the way up, come back here. Let's use here as an example. What's wrong with this? Price might come back here, then continue to the upside. Okay, remember the last bearish candle before a massive push to the upside is your order block. Okay, guys, please, if you are following, I will know that. Who is this? Who is Big Sly? Please, my screen, everyone can see my screen now, so I don't know why you can't see my screen. My screen is very clear. So, guys, now, how do we know a valid POI? The rules guiding the valid POI. Right? Are you guys listening? There must be a sweep of liquidity in that area. For your POI to be valid, there must be a sweep of liquidity. If there's no sweep of liquidity in that area, I won't consider that zone valid. Okay? I will not consider that zone as valid. Now I'm trying to look for the setup that we had yesterday on V25 that stopped us out if we are taking that trade. I think this is it, right? This is it. Okay. This was the chart yesterday. So someone in the group mentioned that he had a setup like this. He used this as a structural liquidity, right? This was the structural liquidity, and he used this as his POI. This other block here was his POI. Can you guys see? Can you guys see my screen, please? Huh? Please, if you can see it, say yes. Yeah. Okay, good. So he used this as his POI, right? And I told him that I mentioned that this is not a valid POI for me, because although it's not that it's not valid, though, you can actually enter here with a good confirmation. But left to me, based on experience, I noticed that this POI, if it's an order block POI and there's a structural liquidity above it or below it, to me, I feel that it won't really hold. It will not be strong. That's what I just feel. That's just my instinct about another block as a POI. You understand? So if you have your structural liquidity here, you have this break of structure to the upside, you have price retracing, giving you a structural liquidity, right? And then price comes back to take out this B, which is a structural liquidity. It's expected to hold now. You can see, you can notice what happened yesterday. Price was doing something. This was the target. This was supposed to be the target. But you can see what price did. Price was ranging within this zone here. Okay? Price was ranging within this zone. And what happened? It stopped you out. It took you out of the trade, then went to the upside. Can you guys see? Now, I mentioned something that I won't consider this as valid because the POI is not obvious enough for me. See, look at where the sweep of liquidity happened. This was the sweep of liquidity. So I cannot force this now. See, I can't force a POI like this. I can't force it. So it needs to be very obvious for you to be able to outline it from the left-hand side to the and extend it to the future. You get, assuming this happened, assuming this stuff happened, assuming this happened, something like this happened now, right? Then we have this sweep. Then we have this. Then we have this and this. I will know that, okay, this is a valid POI because it's a breaker block. Okay, there was a previous order block here that was violated right here. There was a previous order block that was violated right here. So I know that, okay, price is most likely going to come back to that order block and retest it again. You can see price is supposed to do this. Price is supposed to just come here, then bounce off. But what did it do? It invalidated the order block, went up to the upside, and then gave us this move. Gave us this move up, and then comes back to retest it, and it's going to hold. Okay, can you guys see? All right, so a breaker block is basically just a previous order block that was invalidated. Okay, so you can see that there was no order block here. in this circle here. There was no other block that was invalidated. There was no other block. It's just a normal sweep of liquidity that happened there, a normal sweep of liquidity, and the price giving you a structural liquidity. So what happened? If you are taking this buy, you would have been stopped out. You would have been stopped out. See how deep price went, because this would have been your initial stop loss. This would have been your initial stop loss. So you'd have been stopped out. Price went this deep. Okay, that's why I always draw out my POI from the left hand side and extend it to the future. But I know that, okay, there was a failed order block in this zone here. That price is most likely going to come and retest again. Can you guys see what's happening on V25? If you guys use risk management, you should be up in profits right now. You should be up in profits right now. So that's what happens. Now look at this. Look at what I saw on V25 as soon as I opened it. I saw this sweep of liquidity. Rule number one, remember guys, rule number one states that there must be a valid sweep of liquidity. Now look at this sweep of liquidity here. So this means that this is a protected low. Price is not supposed to come back here to invalidate this. Price is not supposed to come back to this place to take out this low, because it has swept liquidity here already, and now it's moving to the upside. Now it has broken first structure. It has broken structure the first time here. Break of structure. You guys can see I did not even go on the higher time frame, because naturally I know that on the higher time frame on V25 market is already bullish. Okay, we said that yesterday, that market is bullish already on the higher time frame. Okay, so we know that, okay, we should be looking for buys. We should be looking for buys in this V25 market. For those talking about top-down analysis, you know that, okay, market is already bullish. Now let's go to the daily time frame. Let's see what's happening there. You can see this move. I think market started buying from here. This is where market started buying from. Look at this structure. See, market has been selling all the way from here. Then all of a sudden, market started breaking structure to the upside. You can see this movement. Now, this is the first thing that you come to do on the chart. You look at your higher time frame. Where is price going to? Where is price coming from? You can see this move. You can call this. Is this a bearish trend or a bullish trend? Can someone just answer in the group chat? Is this a bearish trend or a bullish trend? Because I know some people don't know this. It might look easy, but not everyone knows this. Bullish trend, okay. Bullish trend. Okay, good. Some people are already up in profit. Nice. This is the bullish trend. Obvious, very obvious. Okay. 1 minute, please. Let me reply someone. Okay, good. Now you know that this is a bullish trend. Now, what should you be looking for in this kind of trend? You should be looking for what? Sales? Should you be looking for sales? Anyone? Are we looking for sales in this market? Buy. We are looking for buys. You know, okay, this trend is already bullish. Let's look for opportunities to enter this buy market. Now, you can't take trades from the daily time frame, right? So what will you do? You go on your, I go on my 8-hour time frame. I go from the daily 8-hour, 4-hour, 2-hour, 1 hour, 30 minutes, 15 minutes, down to my entry in the 5 minutes. Okay, so now I'm focusing on the most recent structure. Now, where's the most recent structure for me? This right here is the most recent structure on the 8-hour time frame. Can you guys see how I'm breaking it down? On the 8-hour time frame, price is still bullish. Price is bullish on the daily time frame. Price is bullish on the 8-hour time frame, right? Let's go to the 4-hour time frame. Let's see. On the 4-hour time frame, what can we see? You can see that price is still bullish on the 4-hour time frame. This is the most recent structure. This is the most recent swing structure. You can see that on the daily time frame, price is bullish. On the 8-hour time frame, price is bullish. On the 4-hour time frame, price is still bullish. Okay, guys. Price is still massively bullish. Okay, so what do we look out for again? We go on the 2-hour time frame. This is how I do my top-down analysis. On the 2-hour time frame, what is price doing? Price is still bullish. Still bullish, because I can see a sweep of liquidity here. right? So I want to consider this as my structure again. Price is still bullish. I can still even use this as still my structure. Price is still bullish. Okay, I go to my 1 hour time frame. You step by step from daily down to your 5 minutes time frame. Price is still bullish on the 1 hour time frame. Let's go to the 30 minutes time frame. Price is what? Still bullish. Price is this most recent structure. Price is still bullish. Price is still breaking structure to the upside, guys. Still breaking structure to the upside. So now, this is where the most recent activity is going on right now. So we want to go and look for entries on this trade. We are not looking for sales here. We're looking for buys, 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 buys. Okay, let's go to the 15 minutes time frame. Let's see what's happening there. Now I want to use this. I want to use this as my structure from year to year. I want to focus on to do a quick scalp, right? You can see price just broke structure again. Okay, and what's price doing? Price is retracing. Price is retracing. Let's draw from year to year. Let's draw Fibonacci. Price is within a discount zone. It's retracing. Okay. Now know that we should still be looking for buys in this market, right? Let's go on the 10 minutes time frame. Now you can see 24 hours is bullish, 25 hour 8 hour is bullish, 4 hour is bullish, 2 hour bullish, 1 hour bullish, 30 minutes bullish, 15 minutes bullish, 10 minutes bullish, 5 minutes bullish, 3 minutes bullish, 1 minute bullish. Oh my god, everything is just bullish in this market. So tell me why you should be selling in this freaking market. Why should you be selling? Oh man, and I feel that jam now. Oh yeah, bullish, 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 bullish. Oh my god. I said this class sweet there. Okay, guys, okay, guys. Okay, back to the chart. Your life is bullish, bro. Your life got be bullish. Let's see how you see them now. I just go drop one kind track like this. Now can put for one kind. This is just Eta Studio. Title bullish. Bullish. All right, all right. So you all can see what's going on here. You all can see what's going on here. You know that okay, this market is showing higher highs, higher lows, like we taught in the basic market structure. Higher highs, higher low, higher highs, higher low, higher highs, higher low, right? Higher highs, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, like that, like that, like that. Okay. So now we want to look for entry here. Where is your most recent sweep of liquidity? I don't see any sweep of liquidity here. Okay, we move. I don't see any sweep. Okay, I'm seeing a sweep of liquidity. Yeah. Right? Price sweep liquidity went up. Let's go on the lower time frame. Let's go to the 5 minutes time frame. Let's see. Let's see. Let's see. On the 5 minutes time frame, we can see a clear sweep of liquidity. Now, some people enter this trade here. And I told you, what fuels the market is liquidity. Look at all of this range right here. All of this is just liquidity. Price creating liquidity. Price creating liquidity. Price creating liquidity. Right? So what did I tell you that price is going to do? Price is going to come back and take out all of this liquidity, which it has done. It has not even taken it out enough, safe. Because I still feel price might still come back here. Take all this liquidity out because it just took it out small. It's supposed to go deep inside and continue. But anyway, you can see something like this. Look at this structure that is forming around here. I don't really like trades like this. I don't really like trades like this because it's giving this this liquidity. Because I remember I told you guys once price is creating this trend line liquidity, price might easily break out from here, right? And then continue to the upside. So you guys, please be careful with this trade. Okay. I rather see a double top here or something other than this higher low, then it's just not going to keep going up like that. So please, let's be careful there. So now we can see the sweep of liquidity has been taken out. Now, where's our swing structure? Now, on the 5 minutes time frame, this is our structure here. From year to year, this is our A, this is our C. Now, where's our B? Our B is the closest low to the protected low. Now, this is our protected low, which is our A. This is our protected low, which is our A. right? And then this is our closest low to our protected low, which is this. Which price has taken out. Remember, this is our B, and B says that price must always take it out. All right. Now back to POI. Now you can see this POI right here. Remember I told you guys to know a valid sweep of liquidity. See, look at what this V25 is doing, because all of this here are liquidity. All of this here are liquidity. Remember I told you the basic market structure. The price is going to give you higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows to be taken out later. Look at what price is doing. Higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher low. Like that. So price is not, I told you guys that price is not meant to move like this. If price keeps going like this, the market will be too easy for everyone to make money. So what's price going to do? It's going to manipulate it. It's going to, all those higher highs, higher lows are just creating liquidity to be taken out later. Okay, so don't be surprised if market does something like this. Take this out and maybe continue to the upside, because now market is building liquidity around here. All of these trend line liquidity are, all of these trend lines are liquidity. You can see. So long this is our protected low, price is not supposed to take it out. All right. So let's move on, please. We have a break of structure here, our second break, right? So price is supposed to do what? Go up, then come back to take out this B, and then start to buy after taking out this B. Okay. Target is here. Sometimes you might see market do like this. Market will come down here all the way to this place, all the way to this protected low. Can you guys see? Market will come all the way to this protected low, wick it out a little bit, and then continue to the upside. You know that all of this is just manipulation. Does this happen to you guys? The market will come, take you out of this trade. Let's assume your stop loss is somewhere around here. Take you out of this trade, and then continue. Does this happen to you guys? It plenty last week. That is market for you. There's nothing you can do about it. Okay? There's nothing you guys can do about it. Market is going to do what market is going to do. Do you know why it's like this? Because there are still stop losses here. There are still people that put their stop loss here. And market is always attracted to all of this. They're all liquidity. Okay, guys? That's what always happens. Remember, when market start moving like this, higher highs, higher lows, in your POI, you need to be very, very careful. Because market is supposed to just what? Come here, maybe give you this, and then go to the upside. It's not supposed to come to your POI and start dancing Makosa around. See, start doing all these things. You just know that, okay, this market is not really ready to move yet. Okay? But the pair that always do this the most, and it will still go the direction, is step index. That's why I hate that pair so much. Step index will do all these things and still go the direction. Still eat TP. Okay? Please, the valid, how to know a valid POI? There must be a sweep of liquidity in your POI. If there's no sweep of liquidity, that POI is most likely not going to hold. Okay? Look at this now. There was no valid sweep of liquidity. No valid sweep of liquidity here. No valid sweep of liquidity here. So that's why this stuff here did not hold. Okay, there must be a valid sweep of liquidity. And what else? Your POI must be a breaker block. It must be a breaker block, because a breaker block tends to give you an A+ setup. A breaker block tends to give you an A+ setup. Okay? A breaker block tends to give you an A+ setup. Now, this is the breaker block here. This candle right here is your breaker block. This was the failed order block that did not hold earlier. So what did price do? Price went bounced from it. Sorry, price went bullish from here. Came back, it violated it, went back up, gave you a structural liquidity, go to the upside, then has tapped into it. Right? Can you guys see? That is the rule. That's like the #1 rule for your this thing. There must be a sweep of liquidity. Now you know that, okay, price has taken out liquidity. What's price trying to do? Price has created a strong low or a protected low, which is not supposed to be taken out anytime soon. Okay? If price takes it out, that means probably there was another block here that it's going to tap into to continue buying. You can see what V25 is doing now. It has swept out all this liquidity. It has swept it out. It has swept it out. It might still go down deeper. We don't know, but it has taken out this liquidity here. Then it might continue, or it might go deeper inside. All right. This is why I always want to apply risk management to trades like this. There's a swing structure, V25, 1 minute. Please, I don't do 1 minute time frame. I don't do 3 minutes time frame. Okay, guys, I don't. It's not trustworthy enough. It's not strong enough. All right. So we also have another block POI. You can see V25 going back up. Everything's happening live. Everything is happening live. All right. This is what happens every day in the market. Okay, guys. So there's not really much on POI. It's just to know your breaker block, your order block. I've told you order block. I've told you breaker block. This is where price will come and retest. And then you see a massive push to the upside. There was this trade sorry guys, there was this trade I took earlier today. V75 sell. I took V75 sell. Oh my God, we have like 3 minutes left. Okay, let's just utilize it. I took V75 sell. Look at what happened. I think this was where I took the sell from. Yeah, where is it? Where is it? Okay, you guys can see this. Right? Can you guys see this? This was the sell I took. Now you guys can see that there was no this thing, what they call it, there was no sweep of liquidity, there was no this thing, breaker block and all that, right? This is what we call a supply level. Remember, I told you guys I'm going to teach you supply and demand. This is a supply level where I also get my sniper entries from. A supply level. This can also serve as your order block. Remember, the bullish candle before a massive sell-off. This was the bullish candle here. Then we had a massive sell-off. Then what's price supposed to do? Price is supposed to go and retest it. Then sell off from there, which it did. But assuming price did something like this, it validates it, come back here, come back into structure. You know that, okay, price is going to tap into here, then sell off. Because now price has given you a breaker block already, which was a failed order block. Now, this is another block that was respected. It's also your supply level. This was another block that was respected. Okay, guys. So this is it. I took this trade all the way down here. Can you guys see? Then another this thing, V75 1S, sell. Let me see if it's still even selling itself. Nice. Look at this. Look at the sell I caught on V75. This was the setup I had. Now, let's do it together. We have what here? What do we see here? We have 1 minute left. I don't know if you can do top-down analysis. No, there's no more time. Let me just show you guys. We had the sweep of liquidity here. Okay. Then we know that this is our protected eye, right? Then, hey, look at what I told you guys. That price will come and take out your protected eye, wick it out a bit, then sell off. Can you guys see? Same thing happened here. I was already up, I think, around $500 or so. But this market took me out like 2 times because I was stacking. That's the disadvantage about stacking. So now look at this. Price gave us a structural liquidity here, right? So price invalidated this one. Then we had another structural liquidity here. But this was the main structural liquidity for me because it already was. This broke first structure. Then the structural liquidity broke on that structure. Then what did I do? I know that this is a valid POI because it's what? A breaker block. Let me take this off because this was my structural liquidity. This was it, guys. Right? Then I put my this thing here. They can see what's happening. It's selling off. Because now this is a valid POI because it's a breaker block. Are we guys clear?